Why Lords MBA? Because success demands more than a classroom. It demands experience, innovation, and opportunity. At Lords, academics blend seamlessly with industry training, soft skills, corporate exposure, internships, and placements to prepare you for tomorrow's business world. Choose from future-ready specializations in business analytics, healthcare management, supply chain management, entrepreneurship, marketing, HR, finance, and information technology. Benefit from autonomous status and Osmania University degree, AI-enabled faculty, a modern 12-acre campus, advanced IT labs, and a dedicated placement cell.
Hello everyone, I'm Zoha Zaid Khan. I'm an MBA healthcare graduate from Lords Institute of Engineering and Technology. One of the biggest highlights of my journey was getting placed through campus placement process. I am grateful to the placement cell for guiding and supporting me through recruitment process and helping me start my professional career.
Participate in corporate competitions, industrial visits, management fests, and leadership building activities that shape confident professionals.
My name is Susan Fatima Amini and I am currently pursuing MBA from Lords Institution of Engineering and Technology. I chose MBA at Lords because of its strong academic environment, experienced faculty, and practical approach and industrial exposure. I believe Lords is the right place to enhance my managerial skills and technical skills.
Have a startup idea? The Lords Technology Business Incubator provides world-class incubation, expert mentorship, and funding support to turn your vision into reality.
Hello everyone, I'm Abdul Moeed. I was a student of LIET Lords Department of Management. I'm really happy to be here and talk a little about my experience at Lords. I really appreciate about Lords is that even though it is a well-known engineering college and has built a strong reputation in that field, I feel the MBA program has been developed with the same level of seriousness and quality. The infrastructure, academics, and overall setup of the MBA program are up to a very good standard. And I genuinely believe it has the potential to become one of the best business schools in the city.
Choose Lords MBA. Learn, lead, innovate, and succeed. Apply today.